coatings like Sundeck, the layer of concrete that contains polymer must also be removed. As part of the cleaning process, all decks, including decks just poured the day before, must be acid washed. Always acid wash immediately prior to the topping application so the surface does not get contaminated. Use 1 part muriatic acid to 1 part water for older decks and 1 part acid to 4 parts water for new decks. Never put acid on dry concrete. Always wet the surface first. Scrub acid onto the surface with a brush. The acid should boil vigorously. If it does not, the surface has something on it that must be removed by either more acid washing or scarifying, followed by acid washing. Be sure to scrub all surfaces, including the cantilever edge. Because acid destroys cement, the reaction leaves behind a residue that must be removed. Scrubbing with a wire brush while rinsing with water will remove this residue. A better way is to use a high-pressure washer with a minimum pressure of 1,500 psi, although 2,500 to 3,000 psi would be preferable. A 3,000 psi washer will not only remove the residue, but it can find and remove soft deteriorated concrete that might have escaped detection by other means. It also allows one to effectively clean cracks, holes, and along joints. When evaluating the amount of cleaning and deck preparation necessary, one final question has to be asked. Has enough cleaning been done? The only answer is, the more you do, the better the job. The second C is for coating with PTA. Before the actual coating can begin, the deck must be soaked with water for a minimum of 1 hour. The more evenly saturated with water the concrete is, the smoother this process will proceed. Someone should start mixing the PTA at the same time the Keystone Cool Deck mixing is started. The 20-pound box of PTA, properly mixed, will coat approximately 350 square feet. Because it is cementitious, once mixed with water, it must be used within 45 minutes. The mixing instructions are 1.3 gallons of water per box of PTA.